Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Is spring here? What weighted sentiments say about Bitcoin, BNB, XRP, Polkadot? As winter moves into spring, will the longer days and blooming flowers perhaps wield a positive influence on investor sentiment? Here's what the data had to say. If winter comes, can spring be far behind? Early on 13 March, Sentiment released data to show what investor moods were saying about price expectations. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin BTC, BNB, and XRP were all positive, but still lower than 0.1. Even so, Sentiment theorized that this was a signal that traders had bullish ambitions for the assets. However, by press time, Bitcoin's weighted sentiment had fallen back into negative territory and clocked in at -0.614. Weighted sentiment for Bitcoin previously took a hard fall under zero when the asset's price dropped from $44,000, showing that market uncertainty wasn't about to end anytime soon. For now, it seems that Bitcoin has many more resistance levels to shatter before jaded investors respond with euphoria. Tameless and swift and proud, while BNB has been tracking Bitcoin's price performance, weighted sentiment for the asset was above 1.0. However, a look into the past shows that BNB has a trend of short euphoric spikes followed by longer periods of negative weighted sentiment. As far as XRP is concerned, the asset saw a rally of over 15%, possibly thanks to the judge in the SEC v Ripple Labs lawsuit denying the SEC's motion to strike Ripple's fair notice defense. In fact, weighted sentiment for XRP has been in the positive territory since about 7 March and was 1.337 at press time. This, despite XRP's price again climbing to levels seen in late February. However, since XRP investors' euphoria has been followed by dramatic price crashes, investors will need to look at both on-chain activity and court updates. Meanwhile, as Sentiment noted, Polkadot DOT saw a dip from positive to negative territory, despite a rise in price and the onboarding of some new paired chains. However, weighted sentiment for DOT has been largely negative since mid-December. Trumpet of a prophecy. Many eyes are on Terra Luna, a rising star asset now among the top 10 cryptos. However, euphoric highs of close to 4 were followed by a fall in price, which led to a nearly vertical fall in sentiment. That said, investors don't seem to be ready to give up, as weighted sentiment was 0.104 for the asset on 12 March. To keep weighted sentiment above zero, Luna will have to prove that its towering rallies can be consistent. And second news, will Immutable X 58% rally save its newfound investors from losses? In a surprising turn of events, Immutable X was seen charting gains in an unfavorable market. The ecosystem developments coming from the Layer 2 scalability protocol for NFTs on Ethereum certainly have had a hand in its growth. Immutable X over the week on 7 March, the two-layer protocol announced their $200 million Series C funding, which placed the overall valuation of Immutable X at $2.5 billion. Since then, its token IMX has made its investors considerably happier. IMX arrival came at a time when the crypto market began its rally only to recover later. Well, soon after marking an all-time high of $9.3, the altcoin began falling. By 6 March, it had lost almost 87.68% of its value. This affected its investors quite severely, since most of them entered the market around its launch, when the price was way above the recent bottom of $1.15. As a result of the 4K total investors on the chain, 99.5% of them fell into a loss. This figure has since reduced thanks to the 58.3% rally witnessed by IMX over the week. Trading at $1.8 at the time of this report, the rise in tokens value managed to save 4% of the investors from losses. DOT, roughly $5.7 million to Ukrainian wallets. Total crypto donations for Ukrainian charities, the military, and the government have received over $37 million by Cointelegraph estimates. Wood's single donation comprises over 10% of the total crypto donations. Indeed, Wood's donation is one of the largest individual crypto donations to date. Sam Bankman-Fried's platform, FTX, donated $25 to each Ukrainian on his exchange platform, while CEO Deepak Thapliyal of Chain.com donated 100 Ether, ETH, or over $280,000 United States dollars. Besides Wood, the Polkadot ecosystem had already contributed over $210,000 to the official DOT wallet for Ukraine since this morning, according to Polkadot blockchain data. For cryptocurrencies not accepted by Ukraine, CoinGate, a Lithuanian-based fintech, offers a workaround. As a payment gateway for cryptocurrencies, CoinGate allows holders of other cryptos to donate to Ukraine. CoinGate manages the crypto payments for a list of over 70 cryptocurrencies, eventually crediting the Ukraine bank account with euros. CoinGate told Cointelegraph, "In the past 5 days, we have raised 7,000 euros from various crypto communities." Related. Crypto exchanges consider Ukraine's call to freeze Russians' Bitcoin to date. The crypto community has been quick to come to the aid of Ukraine's plight, with donations and words of encouragement. Twitter observers noted that Ukraine's innovative crypto activity was an attempt at making history. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot N 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.